Hi, good morning. So I am just leaving for Gulu right now, and I'm going to meet my ride somewhere in Boise. So my dad is going to drop me along the way. Actually, he's going to drop me somewhere in Boise. I'm just carrying this gym bag and my backpack that has my laptop, and that's all I'm going to carry. I hope I have everything I need, and yeah, see you when we get to Gulu. Thank you. Oh my god, the sun is so bright. Anyway, I've touched base in Gulu. It was basically, it's supposed to be a 5-hour drive, but we got here within maybe 6 hours, and that's because our driver wasn't overspeeding or being reckless. Or I'm not saying the people who get there in 5 hours are reckless, but he was very gentle on the road, if I may. So I'll do like a quick room tour and then catch some sleep, and then we'll start work tomorrow.
So when you walk into the room, you have a bed and then a sofa and a study table and chair. This table was pointless. It just kept on blocking the bathroom door. And then when you walk into the bathroom, you have a toilet and a toilet brush with some toilet paper. Then you have a sink. Then you have a shower and then a bathroom mirror. There was also a towel and a hairdryer. Now I just want to point out that not all the single rooms are this big. This is the biggest single they had. It didn't have hot water though, so I was a little disappointed, or a lot disappointed. Then on the opposite side of the room, there's a wardrobe, a TV, and then like a storage cabin sort of below the TV, where I put my bag on the top for the first day. It's that you have a reading table where I put my water. When you look outside the window, you could see the pool that I didn't, and yeah, lots of trees.
So guys, it's maybe 2:30 a.m. and I can't sleep. Like, I haven't slept since I got here, and I feel tired, but I just can't sleep. And we get different accommodations, so I don't know where the other guys are. Like, not that it would matter, but I asked them to pick me up at 8 so that we can go and start work by 8:30. Actually by 9, because we have a couple of like protocol and things to go through, and I can't sleep. So that means I'm going to be very tired and exhausted in the morning, and that's the worst feeling ever. I had lunch with my friend from campus, and they bought me a big bottle of water and also paid for my food. I actually haven't spent any money yet because my friend paid for my lunch. They work here, but they're traveling back to Kampala tomorrow. Then we went to a supermarket later on in the day, maybe about 5:30, and bought a couple of things, bought a few drinks, got me a wine bottle and a chocolate, then dropped me off and went. So now, but that was so many hours ago, and I haven't slept since then. I just hate this. Like, I really hate being unable to sleep. But I was also planning to go to the gym in the morning, but I can't go now if I've not slept through the night, because it's just too much on the body. Okay, bye.